The use of sub-caliber ammunition is quite common today, mainly in artillery to enhance armor-piercing capabilities. But has there been an attempt to popularize this type of ammunition in the field of small arms? Indeed, there has been. The experimental assault rifle developed by the Soviet Union, known as the AP-27, was specifically designed to fire this type of ammunition. Around 1960, the Soviet Union conducted in-depth research in the sub-caliber ammunition field and attempted to apply it to assault rifles. At the time, the AK-47 assault rifle used by the Soviet Army, while a classic weapon of its time, had significant bullet spread at long distances. After research, it was believed that this could be addressed by improving the ammunition and reducing the recoil, which led to the development of the AO-27 assault rifle in 1961. The AO-27 bears some resemblance to the AK-47 in appearance, continuing the gas-operated automatic principle with the gas tube located above the barrel. It has a wooden handguard and stock with mechanical sights mounted on the top of the rifle, similar to the AK rifle. The rifle weighs 3.2 kilograms and is 893 millimeters long, with a barrel length of 415 millimeters. It fires a type of sub-caliber ammunition developed by NII-61, with the rifle itself using a 7.62 caliber caliber and firing a dart-shaped bullet with a diameter of 3 millimeters, weighing 2.4 grams and measuring 55 millimeters in length, similar to a shell casing to fit the 7.62 millimeter caliber barrel. The rifle uses a 30-round capacity straight magazine for ammunition. To accommodate the new ammunition, the rifling inside the barrel is flatter, aiding the high-speed exit of the bullet. When firing this new ammunition, the initial muzzle velocity of the AO-27 can reach 1060 meters per second. The bullet gains rotational motion from the rifling, and upon exiting the barrel, the centrifugal force separates the shell casing. The AO-27 utilizes a long-stroke gas piston with an increased firing pin operating stroke, designed to reduce the rate of fire. Compared to the AK-47, the recoil is reduced by 50%, increasing shooting stability. It has two firing modes, fully automatic and single shot. A batch of ammunition was specially produced for AO-27 testing with excellent results. Automatic fire is easier to control than with the AK-47 and AKM, with a straight-line flight distance of approximately 530 meters, about 200 meters farther than the AK-47 and AKM. This means it is more suitable for aiming, and within a range of 1,000 meters, the trajectory remains relatively flat, with less bullet spread. Testing also revealed the strong penetration capabilities of the new ammunition. While this is advantageous when facing targets wearing individual body armor or hiding behind typical cover, the stopping power of the bullet is weaker, and its lethality against the human body is not as effective as conventional bullets. Through the AO-27, the Soviets realized that sub-caliber rifle ammunition did not have a clear advantage over conventional ammunition. On the contrary, it was more complex to manufacture and had higher costs, so it remained only as an experimental project. In fact, sub-caliber ammunition is not entirely useless in the small arms field. It can be used as special ammunition for sniper rifles or anti-materiel weapons. The Steyr AMR 5075 uses this type of ammunition and can penetrate 40mm homogeneous steel armor at a distance of 800 meters, illustrating its tactical value.